Good morning, first PC students. Today we are going to the next problem. First principle. Find the derivative of the function by using the first principle. Yesterday sine, cos completed. Now today we are going to the tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Third one, for example, secant x. See, tan x. Solution y is equal to tan x. Y is equal to tan x or f of x is equal to tan x. First one, f of x is equal to tan x. Very important one, 100% question. Okay. Next one, have to find out f of x plus h. F of x plus h is equal to tan of x plus h. F of x plus h is equal to tan of x plus h. What is the formula? First principle formula. F dash of h is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. That is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h tan x plus h, tan x plus h minus tan x by h. Now before the sin x cos x derivative, sin x minus sin y, cos x minus cos y, sin x minus sin y, cos x minus cos y, the formulas is there in the trigonometric functions. So in the tan x minus tan y, there is no formula. Only sin x plus sin y, sin x minus sin y, cos x minus cos y, cos x plus cos y. Only sin cos formulas are there. There is no tan formula. So next one, tan. Tan formula, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin x plus h minus sin by cos. Tan x plus h is equal to sin x by cos x minus tan x is equal to sin x by cos x by h as it is h. So next one, limit h tends to 0 LCM. What is the LCM? Cos x plus h and cos x already h. So cos x plus h, cos x LCM. So what is next one? Sin x plus h into cross multiplication. LCM or cross multiplication, anyone. Sin x plus h into cos x minus cos x plus h into sin x. This one. So what is the sin a minus b formula? Sin x minus y is equal to sin x minus y formula, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Trigonometric formula. Sin x minus y is equal to sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. This totally x. X plus h can be taken as x. X is y. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So sin a minus b. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0. What is the formula? Sin x minus y. Here what is x? X is x plus h. Okay. Minus y is x. Sin x plus y, or this type. Sin x plus x minus y. Here x is x plus h, y is x. By same cos x plus y into cos x into h. X cancel. So separate the limits. Limit h tends to 0. limit h tends to 0, 1 by cos x plus h into cos x into sin h by h. Again limit h tends to 0, the cos x plus y cos x one limit, x cancel sin h by h, because sin x by x is equal to formula is there. That's why the h goes to under the sin. So apply the limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, h is equal to what? Cos x. H is equal to cos x means 1 by apply the limits. H tends to 0. So that is equal to 1 by cos x plus h. H is equal to what? 0. X plus h. H is equal to 0 and into cos x into 1, because sin x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So finally f dash of x is equal to 1 by cos x plus 0 is equal to cos x into cos x, that is equal to 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x. So f dash of x is equal to secant square x. Okay, clear? The main point is, this is main point, sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Next one, fourth one, cot x. Solution: given y is f of x, y or f of x, f of x is equal to cot x. F of x plus h, f of x plus h is equal to cot of x plus h. F of x plus h is equal to cot of x plus h. So formula f dash of x, first principle formula, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h, limit formula, first principle formula. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is equal to cot of x plus h minus cot x by h. So cot formula, cot is equal to cos by sin. So cos x plus h by sin x plus h. Cot x is equal to cos x by sin x. Cot x is equal to cos x by sin x by h, normal h. So LCM, limit h tends to 0, LCM is, this is sin x plus h, sin x plus h into sin x into h. The sin x plus h sin LCM. So what is the LCM simplification? Cross multiplication. You don't know LCM means you have to do cross multiplication. So sin x into cos of x plus h, sin x into cos of x plus h minus cos x into sin of cos x into sin of x plus h, cos x into sin of x plus h. Okay, clear? What is the formula? Same formula. Sin x minus y is equal to sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. Formula is sin x minus y. Okay. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0, sin of x, here x means x minus y is equal to x plus h. Y is equal to sin x cos y. Y is equal to what? X plus h by sin x plus h into sin x into h. So x cancel, separate limits, limit h tends to 0 sine minus h, x cancel, minus plus minus h, e sine minus h by h, eh, okay, into limit h tends to 0 1 by sine x plus h into sine x. So that is equal to formula, at the formula sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x. Sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x. So limit h tends to 0 minus sine h by h into limit h tends to 0. So apply the limits directly into 1 by h tends to 0 means h is equal to 0 sine x plus 0 into sine x, only h is equal to 0. So minus common, minus limit h tends to 0, minus separate, minus limit h tends to 0 sine h by h into 1 by sine x into sine x sine square x. So that is equal to minus 1 minus sine x by x, limit x tends to 0 sine x by x is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 by sine square x is equal to cosecant square x. 1 by sine square x is equal to cosecant square x. Minus 1 into cosecant square x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Okay. Minus cosecant square x. Next, fifth one, sine, cos, tan, cot. Next, secant, secant x, solution, f of x is equal to secant x, f of x plus h, f of x plus h is equal to secant x plus h. Formula, f dash of first principle formula, f dash of h is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So f dash of x is equal to f of x plus h is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h is equal to secant x plus h minus f of x is equal to secant x by h. So there is no formula, only sine cos formula is there. So tan x minus tan y formula is not there, cot x minus cot y is not there, secant x minus secant y not there. So first apply the simplification. First of all, simplification. What is simplification? Secant x is equal to 1 by cos x plus h minus 1 by cos x by h. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0 LCM. What is LCM? Cos x plus h into cos x into h. Next, cross multiplication. LCM. So cos x minus cos of x plus h, cos x minus cos of x plus h. So what is the formula? Cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sine minus 2 sine x plus y by 2 minus 2 sine x plus y by 2 into sine x minus y by 2. This is the formula. Cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 into sine x plus y by 2 sine x minus. Here x is equal to x y is equal to x plus s. That is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sine x plus y. X means x plus y means x plus h by 2 into sine x minus y by 2 x minus of x plus h by 2 by only formula numerator we can apply cos x minus cos formula. Denominator as it is same, cos x plus h into cos x into h. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 into sine of x plus x 2x plus h by 2. So x cancel. So sine of minus h by 2. X cancel, minus into plus minus sine h by 2 by cos of x plus h into cos x into h. First next separate the limits. Minus 2 constant, so minus 2 into minus 2 constant minus 2 into limit sine 2x plus h by 2 by cos x plus h into cos x, all minus 2 separate, these all are one limit. Next limit h tends to 0 sine minus h by 2 is equal to sine minus h by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into h by h eh. Okay, eh only up to this minus 2 separate, this is one limit, the h and the sine value another limit, because sin mx by x is equal to formula is there. So minus 2 into apply the limits, limit h tends to 0, so sine 2x plus 0 by 2 by cos x plus 0 into cos x into sin mx by x is equal to 1 by 2. What is the formula? Limit x tends to 0 sin mx by x is equal to m. This formula. Sin, this is m, x by x, h cancel 1. So minus into minus plus 2 cancel. So that is equal to e 2 cancel sin x by cos x. So that is equal to sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x separately. This is sin 2 cancel, sin x by cos x, tan x 1 by cos x. Sin x by cos x is equal to tan x into 1 by cos x is equal to secant x. So what is the secant x derivative? Secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x. Okay. So final last one, sixth one, f of x is equal to cosecant x. F of x is equal to cosecant x. Only one problem homework. Only one problem homework. So today trigonometric functions, derivatives by using first principles are completed. Next tomorrow any other functions, polynomial functions or any function, other functions derivative by using the first principle. This is today class. Okay. So f of x is equal to cosecant x, we have to try same as it is. Cosecant is equal to cosecant ಬದಲು secant ಬದಲು cosecant apply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Here cos x minus cos y, here sin x minus sin y. Sin x minus sin y already formula. Sin x minus sin y formula. Okay, this is very important. First three very important. Sin x cos x, tan x, totally 6 important. In 6, the first 3 sin x, cos x, tan x, these 3 functions derivative by using the first principle. Very important question. The first 3 very important. Okay, clear. Thank you.